We are clearing out our parents' house. They've lived here for over 50 years, and there is something in every single corner of the house. There's so many items. We don't know what has value, what doesn't have value, what we should keep. It was actually incredibly overwhelming to know that Gone for Good is able to take all of the things, move it out with ease, then go through it at their warehouse and be able to pay attention to each item. Means the world.
Our biggest difference that we've found with Gone for Good is that they are really green focused. We know we have a big footprint here and we would hate to leave it all in the landfill. It makes us feel better when we have to let go of something to know that it's going to be used by somebody else.
Professional beyond measure, but they are also very reasonably priced.
It feels really safe working with them. There's no judgment about all the stuff that's here. It's been really pleasant.